In the 2012-2018 Range Rover Evoque, there was a pretty common problem with the warning on the dash saying camera system fault. This warning relates to the rear view camera that is activated when you shift to reverse. Usually if you plug in a Land Rover compatible scanner, you may get a big range of codes that will tell you about communication issues in the electrical system, but in reality, in 95% of cases, the actual culprit is the rear view camera itself. Fortunately, the replacement is not that hard, and you may even do it on your own if you have the tools and time for this. But before you buy the new camera unit and install it, it makes sense to check the fuse for it. Several fuses cover the system, for example, the 42 and 43 fuses in the engine compartment fuse box and FB10 fuse in the trunk fuse box. Also pay attention that in various model years the fuses may be located in different places, so it's a good idea to get a fuse map for your model year. If the camera system fault warning pops up on the dash after power wash, you may want to wait for a while. This is a well-known problem, and some minor water leaks can affect the camera contacts. While eventually it will still lead to camera issues due to corrosion of contacts, you may get your camera system back after a day or two when the water is evaporated completely.